Do you want to see all the support and the blessings that are naturally lining up for you today? Me too. We can literally rewire our brains so that we notice all the good things that are happening for our benefit. If you haven't tapped with me before, go check out my tapping points video so that you know what we're going to do. We're going to jump right in. So today, let's say I see everything lining up for my good today, and see how true that feels for you. So we're going to rate it 0 to 10, 0 being that's not true for me at all, and 10 being that feels absolutely 100% true. Just notice the number. You can write it down or just remember it. Let's start tapping. Side of the hand. Even though I don't always notice when things are working out for me, I want to be more aware. And even though I've missed signs in the past, I'm open to tuning in more. And even though I haven't always trusted it, I want to see the bigger picture. Okay, we're going to the top of the head. I don't always notice the good. Eyebrow. I want to be more aware. Side of the eye. I want to see how things are lining up for me. Under the eye. I'm open to noticing the little signs. Under the nose. I want to notice what's working for me. On the chin. I want to see the ways that I'm being supported. On the collarbone. I'm open to more clarity. Under the arm. I'm ready to notice the synchronicities. Okay, we're going back to the side of the hand. Even though there's so much going on in the world, I know there's good in it too. And even though I don't always feel it, I'm open to experiencing more of it. And even though life can feel heavy, I'm willing to see the support that's carrying me forward. Okay, we're going to the top of the head. There is good in the world. Eyebrow point. Even when I don't see it, I know it's there. Side of the eye. I'm open to seeing it now. Under the eye. I'm open to feeling supported. Under the nose. I'm open to being carried. On the chin. I'm open to receiving more goodness. On the collarbone. I'm open to noticing what's aligning for me. Under the arm. I'm open to experiencing life with more trust. Okay, we're going back to the side of the hand. Even though I may have missed it before, I choose to notice all the blessings around me and embrace them. And even though I've doubted it in the past, I choose to see the miracles that are showing up for me now. And even though I've been guarded, I choose to support the good and allow it in. Okay, we're going to the top of the head. I choose to embrace my blessings. Eyebrow point. I choose to support the good. Side of the eye. I choose to be the good. Under the eye, I choose to notice all the things that are working out. Under the nose, I choose to feel all the miracles around me. On the chin, I choose to be open to all the things that are aligning for me. On the collarbone, I choose to sense and feel gratitude for all the support in my life. Under the arm, I choose to see everything that's lining up for me today. All right, now let's just take a deep breath. Good. Now we're going to rate that again. So say, I see everything lining up for me today, and just feel into that. How true does that feel for you now? 0 being not true at all, and 10 being absolutely true. Even a small shift means your brain and your body are learning a new way to feel safe, connected, and supported. Isn't that wonderful? So great job. If you want to keep going, you can follow this up with my tap and breathe video. You can also grab my free mini EFT course to learn to tap with confidence, understand how it works, and learn when to reach out for support. It includes a printable pocket guide so you can take EFT with you on the go. Visit kristabates.com/EFT.